Kumbaya, who'd believe it? Our own little Sharky actually graduated from obedience school.
Oui, mon amis, I hear he is a whole new dog. No more of the barkety-bitey for the little carnivore.
Well, Sharky just couldn't be more obedient. He graduated first in his class. I'm so proud of him. Oh, here he comes now, wearing my graduation gift. Isn't he cute?
Hey, Sharky, I hear you stopped biting rubber chew toys. I got 2 words for you, little mister. Plastic chew toys. Huh? Oh, wait a minute. That's 3 words.
What are you gonna do now, Sharky?
Oui, what are your plans now that you are, how they say, defanged?
Hey, Sharky, you want to touch my dried bug collection? Whoops. Sorry, Sharky, I'll get a sponge.
He's Sharky, the incredible dancing piece of glass. He's in the house and knows what's up. Don't sit over there, a little steak in your...
Boy, it's great not to worry about Sharky biting me now that he's a graduate of obedience school. I don't think I've ever been this close to his house. Sharky has done some lovely things with his rare flower garden now that he's learned to be obedient. And look at his Tibetan royal palm. Kumbaya! This is the kind of garden you can just step back and look at for hours!
You must be obedient. No more of the biting. You must be obedient.
Biting is bad. Society needs obedient dogs. No one likes bad dogs. Biting is bad.
Why, Sharky couldn't be more obedient. He finished first in his class. I'm so proud of him.
Hey, Sharky, want to touch my dried bug collection?
You like me. You really, really like me. You like me. You really, really like me.
You must be obedient. No more of the biting.
Biting is bad.
Obedient.
Society needs obedient dogs. No one likes bad dogs.
Hey, Sharky, want to touch my dried bug collection?
Well, you sure are a good dog, aren't you? Come here, little fella. I'm not gonna hurt ya. Don't be silly. Come here. There's nothing to be afraid of. Silly boy. Only unattended dogs have to be on a leash. Come on. You look like an obedient dog. I'll attend you. You can hang out with me.
It's nice of the new and improved obedient Sharky to let me try out his scuba equipment.
About you, Sharky, you're different from the other dogs. You're so obedient, so well behaved. Such a nice dog.
Oh, I just gotta tie my shoe. Boy, things sure have been quiet since that shark dog graduated from obedience school.
It's just been great spending the day with you, Sharky. Pretty soon I start my new job, and I won't have time for the little pleasures of life. Having a picnic, going for walks, frolicking on the beach.
Kumbaya, who'd believe you 3 kittens all sprained your ankles at the same time and can barely walk? Boy, it's a good thing Sharky went to obedience school, or we'd all have a really hard time running away from him.
Sharky? Is something wrong? What's wrong? Sharky? Sharky, come back!
Oh, Sharky the shark dog, huh?
Well, look who it is, eh? It's the shark dog from obedience school. I hear you're not much of a biter anymore.
And look at this. Old Sharky here's got himself a girlfriend.
That's right, I saw them getting all sweet with each other. But I guess Sharky here never figured out who his little dream doll is, eh?
That's right, Sharky. Your little sweetheart is the Postmaster General's daughter. And at 3 o'clock today, she's gonna be sworn in as an official mail carrier. She's one of us. One of us, 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 one of us.
Dear Sharky, I'm sorry if I upset you somehow and made you run away. I'm not sure what I did, and I guess I may never know since today I start my new job. This afternoon at 3 p.m., I'll be at the Metropolis main branch of the post office, graduating from mail carrier school. Thanks again for a great day. I hope we'll meet again someday. You're a very good dog.
Don't worry, Mushy Gushy and Ed. I'll peddle you kittens right to your front door. Oops, not gonna get far without the car keys. Now where'd they go? Hello, Sharky. How do you like being obedient? Ah! Kumbaya! Strangely, it's kind of nice to have the old Sharky back. Huh? Bugs! Get him off! Get him off!
Good nighty, no, there's no toast office around here. I know where there's a bakery, they will make you toast. Oh, post office. Yeah, I've seen a number of them. Can't say which one is the main postal branch, though. Maybe I have seen it. I think anyway. I think it is that way. Good nighty, yes.
From this day forward, you, Nia, are hereby a mail carrier.
Let me slip on the mailbag.
Want a squishy bear bit? They're warm from being in my pocket.
Jurassic Central Intelligence has uncovered massive Thuggosaur troop movement heading for the X-Zone border.
Sounds like Thuggo and his army of bony bad boys are up to no good. Let's see what you've uncovered, Dr. Steggy. Please proceed with your slideshow so that...
This is delicious, guys. Thank you. Great popcorn.
Pass the bonbons.
Thunderlizards! Pay Pay attention!
Now, these JCI satellite photos clearly illustrate this secret Thuggosaur deployment.
You Thunderlizards are going to infiltrate the X Zone and find out what those Thuggosaurs are up to.
They're going to need some help.
But General, you know we Thunderlizards always work alone.
Sure, we're like 3 pods and a pea.
Yeah, man! A well-oiled machine made up of 3 parts who work as one.
Would you stop that? Now I'm bringing in 3 elite specialists to assist you on this mission. First, say hello to an expert in stealth techniques and martial arts. Nate the Dragon.
Hi! It's nice to meet you. Nice bandoliers. Hi!
Nate, if you would please give the Thunderlizards an idea of your, shall we say, unique talents? No, my man! What? No, wait!
He's good, man.
Very good.
No! I meant tell them about your unique talents, not show them. Just... oh, never mind. Next, meet El Gordo. El Gordo! Camouflage expert. The best there is. Show them, El Gordo.
All right, check it out. I'm going over here and... Gone! You can't see me. You never know I was here. For all you know, I was over there. See? I'm not here. You can't see me now. Look! Check this out. See? You know what El Gordo is now? I'm a guest at a party that you don't want there anymore. Just kidding. That was a joke.
And finally, a soldier you Thunderlizards have had the honor of working with before.
No.
It can't mean.
Oh, he can't do that to us, man.
Your old friend.
Mr. T-Rex reporting for duty, General. Look at you, Thunderlizards. All groveling and pathetic, crawling around on your knees. I pity you fools. Don't you have any self-respect? What you pathetic excuses for an alligator handbag needs is direction and leadership. You need Mr. T-Rex to make sure you get to where you need to go. Now let's move out.
This is my bathroom.
Of course it's the bathroom. I just had to wash my hands.
Oh, Bill!
Go away, Scooter. I'm having a good dream. You've fallen into a volcano.
Falling in a volcano. Always with the jokes, eh, buddy? You know I wouldn't disturb you unless I discovered something really important. And this time, I've discovered something that will change the world forever.
Change the world forever? This is string, Scooter. This is the invention you think mankind should go down to the history book for inventing string, huh? How lame can you be? Sometimes I think your brain is made up of little bits of string!
Not string, silly man. I call it electricity. Look up there. Isn't this interesting? Electricity allows me to see inside you. We could use this to look for broken bones.
Broken bones? Don't say you broken bones! We're gonna learn all about broken bones!
We're over the X Zone. It's showtime, fools. What are you doing over here?
Oh, we're checking out our equipment.
Prepare to repel into the hot LZ. Let's move it, move it, move it. I pity the fool who don't repel. Quit breathing down my neck. I pity the fool that breathes down the neck of Mr. T-Rex. Now, I'll go first since you fools are too simple to cover the rest of us if there's any sign of danger. Squad, make sure the repelling line is secure, fool.
Secure?
Yeah, fool, secure. Secure as in tied down.
Oh, that's secure.
I pity you, squat. If I ever live through this, I'm gonna chew your head like a dog with a bone. I'm gonna squeeze you like a grapefruit. I'm gonna drop you like a bad prom day.
I don't know, guys. I get the impression Mr. T-Rex is a little upset with me.
Oh, Squat, I wouldn't worry about it. What can he do to you? You're up here and he's way down there.
Your tail is mine, Thunderlizard.
I guess we better go save Squat.
Wonderful. Those thunderfools bought right into our phony troop movement scenario. And now the doofy Thunderlizards have dropped right into our little trap. What? What are you looking at? What is it? Is there something in my teeth?
No, nothing. I tell you.
Well, there better not be. Now, where was I? Oh, no, Scooter. You may as well stop running. You're not getting away this time. Ha-ha! Say nighty-night, Scooter!
I guess I'm gonna regret that. Nate the Dragon, now Gordo, come with me.
I'm over here, guys. Bet you thought you lost me, But I was here the whole time. Camouflage, it's what I do.
Oh, sure.
Mm-hmm.
Never saw ya.
Here they come, prepared to eat bees, Thunderlizards. Stay behind me, guys. No one will ever see us. I'm camouflaged. It's my specialty. Wait a minute. Hold your fire. They vanished. Wait here. I've got to get a closer look.
I don't like it, Doc. Things are too quiet. What if this is some kind of a trap?
There they are. Fire!
Shh! Listen! Thuggosaurs, man!
So that's how you Thuggosaurs want to play it, huh? You want to play rough? I pity the fools. Let's get them.
Let's kick some tail!
Yeah, let's go, man. Let's kick some tail.
I'm over here, laddie, and I've got something for you.
Well, Biff, any last Thuggosaur words of wisdom before we pound you back to the pre-Stone Age?
I'll tell you this much. You lay one hand on me, and I'll...
You what, fool?
I'll sue you! Oh, dear. Mommy! Mommy, help! They're going to hurt me!
I pity the fool Thuggosaur who tries to take over the world, then goes home crying to his mama.
Well, maybe he's hurting inside.
Yeah, I never looked at it like that. Could be.
Would you stop? Listen up, Thunderlizards. I may not like you, or respect you, or even care about you. But when the going got tough, you fools came through. Put her there.
Hey, hold it, man! Someone's missing.
Yeah, where's El Gordo?
They can't see me! Camouflage, it's what I do. I'm the best! I'm the best!